point alpha is minus 3, and if we are considering the upper bound minus 3, what will be the lower value after minus 3?
Minus
Just
20.
Just after. Just after. Okay, this is the trick. Okay, this is the trick. Because you cannot reach directly to the minus 20. You will see the nearest value just after. So
Minus 5.
beta equal to minus 5. Remember this. So what will do? You should consider only this one.
Yes.
And what will you do? You will get rid of. Okay, just ignore this. The pruning. This the pruning. You got one value. Yes, please, Subhan.
Sir, why not minus 20?
Yeah, this is the very important.
Very good.
Okay, once you are playing some games, the judo, karate, or some wrestling. Okay, two players. Okay, are weighing up. Okay, you cannot fight with the child, or you cannot fight with the double of your weight person. Okay, you need to see your opponent nearest of you. Is it okay?
Yes.
This is the theme. Please, is it clear, please?
Yes.
Great. Thank you so much. So this is the okay out of context, you can say. Not clear, my daughter? Yes, please.
Cleared, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now let's please. Okay, here actually what happened? The concept is you need to also remember beta should be less than alpha. Beta should be less than alpha, or it can be nearest to the
Equal to.
Subhan. Sorry, what is your name?
Subhan.
Subhan. See, beta. This is the formula you should remember.
Yes.
Beta may be equivalent to the for better match,
Yes.
or maybe less. Okay. So nearest to minus 5. Not okay.
Minus 20.
If you can follow this rule only once you say beta less than, once you will coding, you will consider, then you will see beta minus 1. So now we are considering the nearest possible match, okay, for the better competition. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
No, not? Yeah, sure. Actually, in this branch, we already predict alpha equal to minus 3. Now we have these certain randomness, okay, certain players to whom we can compete, and in the competition the team, okay, management will choose a better nearest possible competitor to us. So this one may be equivalent beta should your minimizer should be can be okay equivalent to alpha or nearest to the less than alpha but not greater than, okay, not greater than but less than. So this one is the minus 5, minus 20 is far away.
Yes.
Okay, so we will ignore it. Okay, you can say you are a young grown up boy and you will not fight with the baby of 2 or 3 years. Thank you. Okay, next go to the third branch.
Sir, now the value will be minus 5 or minus 3 alpha.
So what about the first case where beta is greater than alpha?
Yeah, here this one.
Yes, sir.
No need.
Because you are in start, okay, depth first search. This is the first search. So in this situation, of course, you are considering what? Same, okay, beta is less than alpha. Beta is
Less than alpha.
so you consider the less than alpha.
But
Then
beta
beta
is minus infinity, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alpha is minus infinity and beta is minus 3,
Yes.
so beta is greater than alpha.
Sir, I
Yeah.
just told that this is first case.
No, sir. It's saying right.
This my child, this one basically worst case, okay, worst case. Worst case can be minus infinity. Otherwise, things are actually not like that. Very much stupid, okay. This one may be okay 0 or maybe somewhere in plus mode, but we are actually maximizing the thing. But here actually okay for your simple okay query, you should not follow this formula.
Okay.
Just consider in the okay after next one. Okay. So my children, again you can go back to the Aslan is asking. Answer out of the minus 3 and minus 5, which one? Answer minus 3. Okay, so again, minus 3 will be the. Now go to the third branch.
Okay.
Third branch, you can notice here.
Minus 6. Minus 6.
First 12, then minus 6.
Okay, here minus 3, and we know beta like in the, okay, this end, actually, what is, so your name? Umar? This is the one end, that one is the another end. So you can say that if we are talking about the alpha minus infinity at this end,
Yes, sir.
and we can consider the,
Positive.
okay, beta plus infinity, okay? Yeah, because at the end, okay, corner side.
Yes, sir.
So if we are considering this one, you can say that minimizer, out of the minimizer, check out the first one. Okay,
No.
minus 6.
Beta equal.
So beta, okay, minus 6. So okay, please. Here, basically, let me explain to you. It's very important. Pruning. I will explain the concept of pruning. Here we pruning. Okay, we eliminate this, and here we know this can play a big role for alpha. Positive value, kind of it will play a lower bound. Okay, out of this lower bound minus 6 is a, so we should just
Cut off 11 and 12.
11 and 12.
But also 12.
yeah, but
12 will be.
so actually this represent the maximum value for alpha. Alpha, lower bound. Alpha is maximizing after this. Okay, so basically here we don't need to worry about this. We have minus 5, okay, with center one, but at the corner you need to keep the two opponents, okay. So for example, two teams are getting in a quarter final, then semi final, then in the final, okay. So like anyhow, I would like to say here minus 6, and now your beta is minus 6, your alpha is minus 3. Two possible values. Again, updation of there. What will be the answer?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. So your minus 3 is a winner, or you can say maximizer. Yes, please.
11 की जगह भी -6 हो तो फिर क्या होगा?
Yeah, then again you will choose only the minus 6.
First
You will repeat it, okay, similar copy, duplicate, okay, so yes, it will.
No branches.
12 की जगह -2 होता फिर क्या होगा?
Okay, here.
Then alpha replaced by.
Yeah, minus 2, what you will say? Minimum is what? Okay, you are, this one is the upper bound.
Yes, sir.
Upper bound minus 2. You will search the value which are lesser than the minus 2. And then again minus 6. Okay? Yes, if you say here minus 12, then the case will be different.
Then minus 12.
-12 will be selected.
Yeah.
पिछली बार जैसे पहली बार था आप जिसका कि जो नियरेस्ट स्मॉल वैल्यू की वो एक सेलेक्ट करेंगे सर लेकिन अगर वहाँ पे -5 की जगह -12 -20 पहले होता और -5 के बाद
बात एक ही है इसके बाद
-5 की जगह -20 होता और -5
Okay. Okay, here please. Here. You have minus 20 here. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Here again minus 3.
Yes, sir.
You are searching, yes.
बात नहीं कर नीचे जो लास्ट वाली हाँ
कह रहे हैं आप सर जहाँ -5
Sir, he is saying that replace minus 20 with minus 5.
So yes, please.
-5 की जगह -20 करो -20 की जगह
Sir, दरमियान में.
Center or branch?
My son.
Sir, on the board here.
Is that no?
No, yeah, allow it.
सर आपने बोला था कि जो नियरेस्ट वैल्यू होगी ना स्मॉल वैल्यू हम उसको सेलेक्ट करेंगे नियरेस्ट वैल्यू इसकी -5 है सही है सर लेकिन अगर ये -5 यहाँ पे होता और -20 यहाँ पे होता तो फिर क्या होगा
Because we see the cases, okay? We
-3 से तो -20 छोटा है पहले ये तो पहले है फिर उसको सेलेक्ट नहीं करना
Sir, pruning पहले हो जाती है इसमें फिर.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, it's a very genuine question, okay? Very genuine question, okay? He said that if instead of the -5, there is a -20 and there is a -5. So, Naman, can you explain? Yes,
Sir, time is about to done.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
alpha is a maximizer, so alpha will accept maximum value than itself. For example, alpha is 1, so it will accept greater value than 1, not smaller value than 1. Okay, and beta is minimizer. Suppose beta is value is 1, so beta will accept lesser value than 1, not greater than 1. Now same case here. We are checking for alpha. This is the maximizer. This is the minimizer beta. Again, this is a terminal. This is a terminal. Okay, it's something like this. Okay. Now,
beta minus 1 से नीचे हो सकता है तो वहाँ पे -3 कैसे चलेगा?
वो example there. Now we have to check and then update the value. Okay. We have to check for both beta and alpha. Now in first step, we have nothing. It's empty. So we have to check in a leftmost branch first. So we come there, and from there we come here. It's -3. -3. Now we have -3, so we will update beta with -3. Okay. Sir, it's a mistake. This is not. These two are not prone.
They are not prone.
Only
Yes.
these were prone. Okay.
Not prone, I know.
This is not a prone. Now it's -3, and then it will the search will come to this branch. It's 15.
Yes.
So we say that beta will accept only minimum value. So here we have beta value -3, and -15 is greater than -3. So this beta will not accept 15.
Yes.
And again check for 9.
Yes.
So 9 is again greater than -3.
Yes.
So it will accept 3.
Yes.
Beta is 3. -3, sorry. So it will move there and assign -3 to alpha. Is clear?
Yes.
Now it will move to this branch. Here alpha is -3, and we check in the leftmost. So here is -5. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah, or -20. Suppose. So this minus, for example, -5. So -5 will come in there in beta. So -5. Now we no need to check these two. Why? Because beta is -5 and alpha is -3. Beta said that I will accept a smaller value than -5, and alpha said that I will accept greater than value -3. So -5 is already smaller than -3. So we will not check for this value. If there is 100 or something, but we will not check. For example, here is 100. It's a greater, but beta will accept not greater value than -5. So it's no need to check these two. So these two will drop.
What about the
Sorry?
I'll explain it. Just try to understand. He is doing very good. Just I will clear your concept. Okay? Just
Because it's a -5. Okay, it's -5. So the search will think that if I search for this one, it will give me -20. But the search will think that the alpha will not accept smaller value than -5. -3, sorry. And beta will not accept smaller value than -5. You are set for this one. It's -20.
Yes, he said that this should be -5 and the first one -20. Then what will happen? No. Oh, okay. Clapping for Noman. Okay. First of all, I really thankful to all of you to get the concept. Actually, what Noman wants to ask is, Noman is trying to explain depth first search. This is the idea, key idea he is trying to explain. This is the first search, depth first search, then go to this, no pruning here. Because here searching is there. But in this case, if it's the -3, if the -5 is here, at first point, -3 is, okay, you can say greater than the -5, so you consider locked it. No need to consider this one. But in case, if this is the -2, in the depth first search, then you will move to this one. For example, this one is the, because -2 is greater than -3. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
If you are getting the -5 here or -20, for example, my child said that -20, then you should not go depth. First search, fulfill the task lesser than the -3, then Numan is perfect type, so you can ignore, pruning, cut off.
Okay, so
Yeah, yes, you can lock it, -20. In the similar case here, please stay tuned. In this case, -3, alpha is what? -3. You check out, -3 is, okay, so minimum, 12 is minimum, lesser than the -3 or greater than. So you will depth, first search key, you will move to this one. Is it okay?
Okay.
Then you will see the -6, and you get the -3 is lesser than the -6 is lesser than the -3. Then you should not go to move further.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what if we don't have lesser value, then what will happen?
Sorry, my child.
So if we don't have lesser value, the -3.
-3.
Then we will check all the.
Okay, for example, here is +6, here +11, and no value lesser than that. You will keep the minus.
And we will have to check all of these.
Then you will check all of these. Clapping or not clapping? Numan clapping.